Let's collect our old broken crayons. Okay, let's get them. Gently pour them into a pile. They're all here now. Perfect, ready for our craft. Let's make a rainbow craft. First, take an old crayon. Step 2, slowly peel off the paper. Step 3, snap it into small rainbow pieces. Let's make something cool with old crayons. Yeah, we can recycle them. Step 4, put pieces into silicone molds. Let's fill the star and dinosaur molds. Great job, let's make more.
Hi, let's melt old crayons.
Okay, we'll use a double boiler.
So it's safe.
Yes, now watch the crayons melt.
Wow, rainbow wax.
Step 6, pour the melted wax into the star molds. Step 7, now, let's let them cool. Watch the clock tick while we wait. They're all hard now, great job. Let's make new crayons. Step 8, pop out your new crayons and start drawing. Wow, they're so shiny. Let's draw a rainbow. It's beautiful. You did it, great job.